Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking channel. Today we're going to make a poppy seed dressing. We fell in love with poppy seed dressing and I wanted to make my own instead of buying it from the store. So let's get started. For our poppy seed dressing, we have 1 cup of canola oil. I'm surprised they didn't ask for olive oil, but I don't know dressings very well. So I'm doing this because I want to learn. This is white vinegar. Sugar, dry mustard, and onion salt. We have poppy seeds here, but we'll add those in a minute. I'm going to whisk this up. And we'll add our poppy seeds. It says to stir this until the sugar is dissolved. Okay, I think we're going to add our poppy seeds. And then we're going to put it in a mason jar. Okay, now it's time to taste it. So, here's our poppy seed dressing. I like that. That tastes just like what you buy out of the store. Oh, that is really good. So we did another dressing today successfully. Oh, this is going to be wonderful. I like that a lot. Well, folks, thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. I definitely learned something new today. Poppy seed dressing, absolutely delicious. You'll love it. Well, folks, if you could, hit that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe. It really helps our channel. And you have a wonderful day. We'll see you next video. Bye-bye.